In this video, I will show you how to solve the error fetching data on Facebook. As you may see here, we have this error. As you can see, I removed this from the cache, and still I open the application and still I get the same error. I mean, whatever I do, whether I will get the same error. So the best solution is to delete the application and re-download and reinstall it. That we fix it for good. Usually maybe there's an update and somehow the update profile doesn't match with the current, so there's no other way. So basically you have to delete the application and restore it. So I'm doing this, and that will mostly solve all the problems relating with error fetching data. And also, when you do this, another consequence would be it would delete most of your settings. For example, if you have the dark mode, it's not going to be any more dark. You have to again refine from the settings and do it again. So you see, I have the dark mode enabled, and now when I again, it's completely reset the profile. So again, everything seems so white compared with to black. So I hope that solves your problem, and let me know if you have anything or how did you solve in your case. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.